Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you own Counter-Strike 2 and are signed into Steam. This unlocks store and trade features. Once done, enable Steam Overlay and Community items because they let you preview and equip music kits. Next, verify your wallet or trade credit so purchases or trades complete without delays. This avoids canceled transactions. I'll show how to search, buy, and apply the Halo kit, so make sure these basics are set before moving on. Search the Steam community market for the Halo music kit by name. Scanning multiple listings shows price range and availability. Once you find a fair listing, compare prices and either buy now or set a buy order at a lower price to save money. If the market is empty, open trade options. Propose skins or Cs2 items plus keys, because sellers often accept trades faster than direct purchases. Stay patient and track listings until you secure the kit. After acquiring the Halo music kit, go to your Steam inventory, open music kits, and apply it to your Cs2 loadout. This attaches the kit to the selected profile. If the kit doesn't show in-game immediately, restart Cs2 and Steam to refresh cached inventories and make sure community items are enabled. If you encounter trade holds, pending confirmations, or market restrictions, check Steam Guard and wait out holds. That usually resolves missing or delayed items and completes the process cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.